Welcome back at 7:16. The holidays can bring lots of joy to people, but there is a side of the season that brings lots of stress, anxiety, even feelings of loneliness. Dr. Brent Wallis from People's Health joins us with ways to cope with stress and loneliness during this high energy time of the year. Dr. Wallis, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So let's start off with the stressors, how we can best manage those, because we all know, we just talked about how we feel like we've both been ripping and running every waking moment. How do you best prioritize what needs to get done versus all those holiday parties that you're getting invited to this time of year?
Yeah, the holidays, everybody knows, can be a pretty stressful time as the year is wrapping up. A lot of people feel this urgency to get everything done, and you have to make sure that you take a little bit of a step back. Try to enjoy the season a little bit and don't feel so pressured to make sure you get everything in. There's a lot of stressors trying to get to all the parties, maybe throw a party, get everybody the best gift, but you may have a tight budget. You might got other things going on at work as well. So again, you want to make sure you take time to think about yourself and your own mental health and what you need to do to stay healthy during this time as well.
Dr. Wallace, I know people assume that for Christmas, everyone's, so busy with family and friends and coworkers, and they just, are always around people. So the idea of loneliness may not be something that everyone understands is even happening. Even still, being around all those people, the feelings of loneliness can be there. So I guess let's talk about ways of recognizing those feelings in yourself and in others, and best ways of coping with them.
Yeah, absolutely. You can be lonely even in a crowd of people. And so even though you've got a lot of people potentially around you, there are some people that feel very isolated during the holiday season. And it may be, perhaps they've lost a loved one or they're not able to be with some of the family they want to see at this time of year. So that can really cause a lot of feelings of stress and anxiety and depression as well. And so you want to make sure, again, that you're thinking about, your own mental health and what you can do to keep yourself healthy during the season. It's important to try to surround yourself by people that you really enjoy being with, or maybe even meet some new people. Maybe step out a little bit, look for opportunities in the community where you can help out and actually have conversations with people and maybe feel a little bit better about yourself and help someone else feel better as well.
Yeah, you mentioned volunteering is a great way to do that, and this is an awesome time of year to volunteer.
Yeah, certainly. During the holidays in particular, there's a lot of volunteer opportunities. You want to connect with your local council on aging. They can actually let you know about a lot of places that you can go, maybe to help out, cook, maybe wrap gifts for people. You can even go to some of those gift distributions and really just to see the smiles on, especially children's faces when they get a gift they weren't expecting, can be really, really helpful for your own satisfaction and health.
Dr. Wallace, in the last few moments here, are there any resources for people to take advantage of should they be dealing with these feelings of loneliness, especially depression, or just really intense stress and anxiety this time of year?
Yeah, definitely. Make sure, like I said, that you're taking care of yourself, that you don't overdo it with eating. You make sure you get a lot of sleep and don't forget to stay active too. Don't just sit around. But if you're really feeling like maybe you need to speak with someone, you can certainly talk to your primary care physician. We're always here to help. If it's really a crisis and you need to get someone 24 hours a day, don't forget about the crisis support line, 988. Very easy to call. Millions of people used it this past year. Can be very helpful to find resources right near you.
All right, Dr. Wallace, thank you so much. We appreciate your time. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to you and your family, and I guess Happy New Year. I'll see you in 2024.
I know, you too. Have a great end of the year.
All right, thanks so much.